What's up, everybody? So we're gonna be continuing working on the Tesla Model S P100D, cleaning all the seams where the new quarter panel is gonna go. Well, it's actually used quarter panel, but we're gonna be cleaning it up so the new quarter panel will sit all nice. Let's get to work. And let's peel the crash wrap again. So what we're gonna do is drill this piece out because it's bent. We're gonna replace that. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, the whole car is aluminum. Every body panel, the whole frame, everything. Now we can use the air chisel and get it out. And there you go. Okay, so what we did is drilled, can't see, let me go to the other side. Drilled the rivets out, popped them out. This is how we'll be replacing it all the way to the roof, because this is the fastest and the easiest and the only way to do it and do it right. So let's pop this piece off. What we're gonna do is cut it right here and get this whole thing out and leave this. Alright, let's get that piece out. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is how we're gonna replace it. Now we'll trim this up, gotta cut that out, clean it all up. The Tesla quarter panel just showed up. Everything looking good. I actually needed that, and I needed that bracket and I needed that. Yep. One is missing. I think I need one more. Nice, no dings, looking good. And then we got the fender rail too. And there you go. We need to finish trimming all that off, trimming that piece off, so we'll have left with that, and the outside I guess I'll show you once I undrill it all. Let's trim it up.
This is our story. It's written on the wall of what you did, what I did, and more than said to each other. But wipe out what's on my mind. It's been a while since I could hold my head high. Now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause
And there you have it. So now what we need to do here is we need to make a cut right here and remove this piece because this piece stayed on the car, and then see where we need to be here with the rear floor, and then clean it all up and clean it up on the car, and then test fit it. So let's go ahead and drill the spot welds here and cut this piece out.
you let go. I still wish you the best for tomorrow. Of what you felt is totally different from each other. This delusion kept in our hearts. It's been a while since I could hold my head up high. Now I know I can't take it.
So now we'll make a cut right here and then get this piece out. And there you have it. Now we just need to trim up the rear floor, and that's it. Then it'll be just cleaning up all the seams, grinding them down, making them, getting them ready. I think that's all the trimming we need to do on this quarter. All we have left is to just clean up all the old structural adhesive and all the seam sealer, and then we'll go to the car. And that's it for the quarter. Now we need to go to the car. So we measured it, taped it. Now we're gonna cut it, and then I think we can test fit the quarter. Let's do it. Let's test fit the quarter, see where we at. Ah, looking better already. We just need a little trimming here and a little bit there, right here and right here, and it should sit flush, boy. Let's take it off, do a little trim. Test fit number 2. Somebody come look at this. Come look at this. Coming together nicely. Of course we're gonna trim it so it'll be perfect. Here, here, get it all lined up nice. And here everything. Look at that. Look at that, boy. Nice. Looking good. Everything looking good. We're gonna trim it up and it'll sit nice and perfect. We're gonna put the door, make sure the gap is perfect. Put a couple of screws after we trim it, and then lower the hatch, make sure that gap is perfect. Let's lower the hatch, see where we at. Looking pretty good. Vice grip is in the way, won't let me shut it all the way. But it's looking close. After we trim it, it will get perfect. Let's see what we got here. Looking good. Everything looking good. We'll trim it up. Everything is gonna sit flush. Over here, this thing needs to sit behind there, and then quarter will move in and it'll sit flush right here. So that will be all for today's video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. Peace out, everybody.